This country setting is located just 1 mile from the Roanoke River. Paved roads and gravel drive are in place. Seller have installed the water and sewer to the lot. Electrical service is also available. This site had a double wide that was removed. Brickwork and small patio porch are still on the lot. This property has been cleared and ready to go for the buyer who is looking a property site ready to build. Doublewides and modular homes are allowed. Close to the Roanoke River, hunting, fishing, rafting and water sport lovers will enjoy how close this property is to the Weldon River Park, and for the buyers who love the great outdoors. The Roanoke River Canal Trail is only 1 mile away. Close to I-95, community college and local hospital. Shopping at the River Mill is 1 mile away. Call today for more details.